Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. Subscribe this channel and turn on the notification to get regular updates. Today I am going to talk about Equity Knowledge Partner Inspire Scholarship. First of all, talking about this program, Equity Knowledge Partner Inspire Scholarship is an initiative of Equity Knowledge Partner to financially support needy MBA students from Bangalore and Delhi NCR. Under this scholarship, the students who are pursuing MBA in finance from specified management college in Bangalore and Delhi NCR can get scholarship to manage their academic expenses. Equity Knowledge Partner is a market leader in providing high-value research, analytics, and business intelligence to the financial service sector. As part of its CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility initiative, the company is offering this scholarship to help those students who are facing hardship in pursuing their respective management program. Over the years, the company has been running several CSR programs supporting village development, environmental sustainability, and scientific and technical education. The deadline of this scholarship is 15th December 2020. Now talking about the eligibility criteria for Equity Knowledge Partner Inspire Scholarship. Open for Indian nationals only. Applicant must be pursuing first or second year of full-time MBA. Note: specialization in second year should be finance. They must be studying in one of the following colleges from Delhi NCR and Bengaluru: Amity Business School, Noida; Birla Institute of Management and Technology, Greater Noida; Jaipuria Institute of Management, Noida; Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology, affiliated by IP University; Institute of Management and Technology, Ghaziabad; Sri Ram College of Commerce, New Delhi; Christ University, Bengaluru; Kirloskar Institute of Advanced Management Studies, Bengaluru; IFIM Business School, Bengaluru; St. Joseph Institute of Management; MS Ramaiah Institute of Management, Bengaluru. Applicant must have secured minimum 60% marks throughout their class 10th, 12th, graduation and MBA first year. They should have cleared all their papers from first year in case they are studying in their second year. The annual family income must be less than 6 lakh from all the sources. Benefit you get by this scholarship is Rs 50,000. Documents you required while filling this form: photo identity proof, Aadhaar card, passport size photograph, income proof, income certificate from government authority or salary slip, proof of admission, college or university ID card or bona fide certificate, current academic year fee receipt, bank account details of the scholarship applicant, cancelled check or passbook copy, marksheet or grade card of class 10th, 12th, graduation and MBA first year. How can you apply? Go to the website Buddy for Study. Log in to Buddy for Study with your registered ID and land on the application form page. If not registered on Buddy for Study, register at Buddy for Study with your email or mobile or Facebook or Gmail account. You will now be redirected to the Equity Knowledge Partner Inspire Scholarship application form page. Click on the Start Application button to begin the application process. Fill the required details in the online application form. Upload relevant document, accept the terms and conditions and click on Preview. If all the details filled in by the applicant are correctly showing on the preview screen, click on the Submit button to complete the application process. Frequently asked question is: what is the selection process for this scholarship program? The selection of scholars for Equity Knowledge Partner Inspire Scholarship will be made based on their academic merit and financial background. It involves a multi-stage process. First, initial shortlisting of applicants based on their academic merit and financial background, and then telephonic interview of shortlisted candidate for final selection. Thank you for watching this video. If you know any student who meet the eligibility criteria, please share this video with them. And do not forget to subscribe this channel.